Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel if you're a subscriber, and welcome to my channel if you're a new subscriber. Now today we're going to be talking about a three-step. So the three-step that I keep raving about is cleansing, clarifying, and moisturizing. So you're going to need three things. You're going to need a cleanser. This is the cleanser that I use. It's by Clinique. You're going to need a clarifier. I use this clarifier by Clinique. And you're going to need a moisturizer, and I use this moisturizer by Clinique. It's dramatically different moisturizing lotion. So you can also use a small gauze, or if you have one, you can use the Sonic Brush, which is also by Clinique. I should be getting paid for this this endorsement right now, honestly. So this is going to show you results in at least 30 seconds. So let's just jump right into it. So first you're going to take your cleanser, and as you can see, here's both hands, so you can see that I'm not like playing any magic tricks. So here's both hands. So on my left hand, I'm going to apply a little bit of cleanser, just a little bit, and you want to wet your brush a little bit, and then you want to use the brush on your skin like this. And it's automatically going to turn off in 30 seconds. So we're just cleaning the skin in a rotating movement, and it's going to shut off by itself after 30 seconds. So we're just going to keep going until 30 seconds is up. Okay, it just shut off. And as you can see on the brush, the top part of the brush is green color, and that green color is for the rougher skin, and this is for your face also. And then the white bristles are for your softer skin. So we just did that. So now I'm going to take the gauze and wipe that off. So next we're going to use the clarifying lotion. So you just want to push down on it. You push down on it, and we're just going to clarify the skin, which is a mild exfoliant, and this is what you need to get rid of the dead layer of skin. So this is the clarifying lotion, and the one I have is number 2. This is number 2 by Clinique. So we're just going to clarify that. And then for the third step, you want to add your dramatically different moisturizing lotion. So this moisturizing lotion is to put the oil and the water back into your skin that we just took off when we cleansed and clarified. So you're just going to add a little bit on your skin like that, and we're just going to rub it in. I added a lot. Alrighty. Alright, so this is the hand that we just did, and this is my other hand. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but the difference is this is clearer skin than this hand, and that happened in less than 30 seconds. And this is the results that you're going to see on your face by using these 3 products to clean your skin every day. So you can also use this cleanser. And this cleanser is not a foaming cleanser, but it's also by Clinique, and I like this one also. This is a liquid facial soap, and you can use that with this Sonic Brush also. However, I tend to use the foaming cleansing soap because I like this one a lot better. But you can use either or, and make sure that when you're there, you double check which one is for oily skin, dry skin, or for combination skin. So, cleanser, clarifier, moisturizer. And then when you do the dramatically different moisturizing lotion as the third step, then you're going to add whatever cleanser that you normally use, whether it's a heavy cream. I use Carry lotion with shea butter, so then I would put that on top of that, and then I would begin my makeup. So beautiful makeup starts with a beautiful skin, and beautiful skin starts with that 3-step. So if you do that 3-step every day, you're gonna have beautiful skin. The first time you use it, you're gonna see a difference. You're gonna see a difference in your skin right away. So that's my 3-step. And that's my little secret, and I'll see you in the next video.